had to put too much money because we had to move because of the hurricane. So that because we don't have any light and it's really cold and dark in our house, so that's why we moved here because there's light here and it's fine for us. So somebody's gonna come back to our house to make the electricity come back, so I can go back there. But when it makes it, we can go back. So then when our cycle runs off again, we can do it. Then we can do it all over again. Goodbye.